Hello friends, welcome back to Gyanora, my channel Gyanora. Again, why I started this English speaking 75 hard challenge? Because it was my fear since years that I cannot speak English confidently. It was my fear inside me. I understand English and I speak also tutti frutti, but it not comes out with the confidence. That was my exact fear. I want to get rid of this fear in facing camera, in front of facing camera. By the way, my hair looking nice today because I applied methi and curd, fenugreek seed and curd mask yesterday. So my hair looking nice today, very silky and very bouncy also. You can try. I will share this that sort of video soon. I didn't edited that yet, but after I edit I will share that short with you guys. So I am confident girl. Because of this fear I felt that I'm little conscious and I don't know what it is, but uh, in my heart I know I'm confident I can speak English fluently in front of anyone, but in my head there is any hurdle or bracket that is stopping me from speaking English. English is just a language, but our mind make this language how for us, but it not that it is, right? You guys also join me. This is how we work on ourselves in our English, so that my hair looks beautiful today, right? So tomorrow I will share that how I make me ready for this, ready for facing my fear of English speaking, right? Slowly, gradually we will overcome our fear and become confident and courageous. Yes, fear is just in her head, nothing else. We will meet soon in our channel Canada. Hit subscribe button so that I bring I will bring I bring so much content for you guys. After getting motivated from your subscribers, from my subscribers, okay, I am confident. I am confident I am the best. I can do anything. I have no fear. I will overcome all of my fear and become an unstoppable girl. Do you want also become unstoppable with me? Then get ready and face your fear. Like me, I'm also facing my fear like this, right? Yes. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.